Diego, look at mommy. Come over here, sis. See if he follows you. Because he wants what you have. Watch. He's going to come get you. You gotta back up, buddy, so you can come get sis. Let him do it. What does Sissy have?
This.
What does Sissy have?
Breakfast doesn't really start until the grams are on the table.
Let him come. Let him come get it.
Biscuits. Would it really be breakfast without them?
Come here. Can you come to Mama?
I'm gonna go potty. I'm gonna go potty.
Okay, go potty and I'll be right there. Diego, what you got there? A toy?